Yo, what is up, West Empire crew? I'm back here at Juan's shop again. We've been here for the past couple hours. We had to align his, do all his wheel alignment and everything, and he got the car together.
I ordered them already.
Oh, the
and he had this thing extras, but he's gonna get me somewhere next week.
Okay.
But these are the right ones.
Alright.
So I ordered 100 because it came to the, I think, an 100 back only.
Okay.
Yeah. 100. But I'm gonna need it more.
Yeah. So yeah, before that, we're gonna check. We did a little bit of the wheel alignment. So yeah, so what we're doing is moving all the cars out so we can clean this thing. Juan wants to drive this really bad. Got the new rotors on. We took out the second caliper until we can order the. He found one more, so we're gonna order this that one caliber we need before putting the dual caliber on both sides. We fixed the alignment because it was more out and it was more out this way, so we fixed it this way and that way. He really wants to drive this thing, so what we're gonna do is pressure wash this, pressure wash Panda. I haven't washed Panda in like about a week. Work has been hectic. Even editing videos, I haven't had no time. But if you guys have been on Instagram, you guys have been seeing that me and Juan have been working on this all morning. I don't know how long this video will be, but let me help him move the cars out the way. Jack coming out?
Yeah. You can push it.
Push it forward?
Yeah. Right there. It's lower than before.
Yeah, it looks a lot lower.
It looks like this.
Yeah.
Fuck, I'm gonna have to
raise it back?
Yeah.
It's a lot lower than
right?
Yeah.
Because the original OEM bushings was like a ½ inch thicker than this one. So it went down like a ½ inch or more.
Oh shit. Don't look
yeah,
bad.
but that's easy. Not that bad, but it's still, oh yeah. I can't say this.
Damn. Yeah, it does look a lot lower in the rear. Oh, we also got the exhaust on too. It's really tight right here, but put all the hangers and the 3-inch gasket as well. First start since COVID.
The oil was
Sitting?
Yeah, sitting.
Yeah, to run for a bit. This thing been sitting for months. We gotta let that oil warm up though.
I think we're gonna need to bleed the brakes more.
The brakes, bleed them more?
Kinda soft.
Speaking of dirty, you guys, Panda is hella filthy. Like right now. Oh shit, look how clean. Look, watch, check this out. Check this photo out with the wing right here. Look. Bro, Panda is aggressive AF. Guys, it's not my camera setting. It's just really bright out here too. Oh, damn. With the lip on it. Look. That's nice. So we might paint that today and touch up paint this and get the whole car like one, at least like a solid color. And you can see the filth Panda's been collecting. Panda's been grinding, you guys. You check out Panda's IG. He's been spam uploading his timeline on his process. So hit him up. You guys know where it's at. Yeah. Sorry, buddy, but you're dirty right now. Need to be cleaned. First thing first, we're probably gonna move the 240. This 240 inside, and bring that one out and pressure wash it. We got so close to Jaguar race. Test drive this thing.
Yeah, they're soft.
Soft? The brakes are soft? Yeah. So we're gonna have to bleed the brakes again and raise the car a little bit higher in the rear. Man, it's good seeing that thing on the road again. Just look at that. Yeah, so I've been coming every Saturday helping him out. You know, I want all my homies riding in their cars, and especially since he helped me with Panda over there. Man, it looked good. This thing was tough coming down the street.
Yeah, it pulls to this side. When I'm driving it, I feel like it is pulling to this side still.
Oh, to the left?
Yeah, but I'm not sure if it's the front.
Yeah, see, everything's straight when you do that.
Feels good. Feels way different.
Oh, the car?
More torque.
More torque?
Yeah, because the whole rear suspension is from, I mean, the differential is a 350, so it has more, it's stronger.
Yeah.
I can easily pump tires with that thing.
Yeah, you're burning. I haven't had Nas in a minute.
Really?
Yeah. I used to drink them.
It's on my front setup brakes.
Oh, the color?
Small now. The caliper and the rotor.
Smaller than the rear.
I want it bigger. But I'm gonna keep it like that for now.
Oh, yeah, it does look smart.
Right?
Yeah. Let all the brakes and touch. No, I'm talking to the camera. Let all the brakes already, and now just making these match the rears. Alright, you guys, I got a new camera stand, so I'll set you guys here for a bit. Hella smooth. Alright, you guys, Juan pulled out the power washer, being power washed. Gotta wash all of these cars. This one, power here, this car. Yeah. Look. Nice. Car is a little bit dusty because it's been a week and Juan took it out driving. It's been sitting at the shop. He did install that Fast and the Furious style steering wheel. It's a lot smaller than the old one. And guys, it is a nice day. It's a nice day to film. Anytime the weather is like this weird gloomy, it's dope. I mean, I don't have to worry about the camera settings, none of that. Inside the paint booth, we got the E30. I need some of this stuff right here. Okay, and I got the tape. And I got the Panda. Okay, like I said, I got the tape, got the mask. I got some very thick cloth or disposable towels because I'm going to clean the lip. And then after I clean the lip and mask it and stuff, I'm going to use this adhesion promoter. It works well. Hammering over there. Adhesion promoter, and that would help make the paint stick to plastic. And I going with like this type of matte black to match the rest of the kit because this will be the same. Oh my god, bro! This will be the same paint that I'm going to be using for this rear fender piece because the front lip, another color of black from the rest of the kit. It really stands out, so I kind of want it to be the same as the fenders. So yeah, that's what I plan to do right now, and let's just get to it. Alright guys, it says to wait for about 5 minutes and then I can actually put on the paint. So I'll see you guys in 5 minutes. Boom, just like that, the lip is done. Damn, it look good. I know that if I get even closer, the rock chips still mess up the bumper, but I'm gonna redo the bumper when I do the fenders. Yeah, this is like when people reverse onto my car. Huh, maybe I should do that too, but I'll do all that stuff later. Yeah, the reason being is because the sun is out and it's getting hot, and I still have to help Juan on a few things inside the shop. And I have a really big surprise for Ariel, and if you guys really want to see that video, that'll be the next video. So I do have to go pick her up right now. Life's been hitting her, you know what I'm saying, but she's still staying strong, and I think this surprise for her is something that would uplift her spirit, if you know what I mean. If you guys like what I did, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Oh my god. Ooh. Let's look at it from the side.